how's it going? I'm going to show you the new WhatsApp update called Metai, an artificial intelligence that responds to anything, but stay until the end of the video because I'm going to show you something that people haven't shown you, and it's what I highlight most about this new update. Here is the little button for the new update, which is a round circle. If we press it, it automatically takes us to a chat. Here, it gives us several questions to ask, or we can ask whatever we want. For example, let's ask this, advice on credit card debt. There we send the question. Here, it quickly gives us the answer. Look how fast it is. It gives us several pieces of advice, but that's not the most interesting part. I'll show you, but I'll also show you something curious that I find about the application. If we enter here in the contact section, Metai, to see its information, we will notice something interesting. Look, let's enter here. We will notice that this contact joined in May of 2023 and in July of 2024 it was launched. So they've been testing it for a year. This isn't new. It already passed the test filters and they launched it. Look, here's the curious thing I'm going to show you, which is what stands out the most, and it's that we can also create images. See, it creates an image of a motorcycle kicking a ball. Let's see what it will create for us. I'm going to give it this very generic prompt, but the more specific we are with the prompt, obviously the better the image will be. There it is. Look, let's download it. Look at what it created for us, a motorcycle and a ball there in the air. So remember, and also something curious is that it creates the images with this watermark, with this logo that Meta put on the images for them to identify that they are images created with artificial intelligence. So Quasi comes with this logo, and remember that the more specific you are in the prompt, obviously the better the image will be. For example, let's quickly try another one. Image of a cat pooping in the toilet. Let's see what it creates. If something crazy, let's see what will happen. Also remember to subscribe to this channel to stay updated on more content about social networks and tips on Android applications. Subscribe now. Look at the image it created for us. It's not what we wanted, but see that it created a cat on top of a toilet. So we need to try to give more specific prompts. Anyway, this update is just coming out. I'm sure that after many people try it, they will improve it because the application learns everything you copy to it, everything you tell it, so it will get much better each time. Leave in the comments what you think of this new WhatsApp update. If the Meta logo has already appeared for you to use it, see you next time. Take care.